Yo, what's up, people? First of all, sorry for this messy setup. I didn't make my bed yet, so that's why it's all messy around, messy. It's okay. I love messy things, just like my messy bun. Sometimes it's okay to be messy, but the problem is I'm always messy. Whatever. YOLO. But what's our today's topic? I just forgot that. Yo, Omegle. So currently Omegle is the hot topic. Last night I wanted to download Omegle so badly and ask people, some foreigners, to marry me so that even I can get a green card. But there's one thing which is stopping me from doing that. It's a bad guy and its name is JEE 2021. Yay, JEE 2021. Shoo you, bro. You are a bad boy. It's a whole different story. Okay, so engineering was never in my thought. I always wanted to become a doctor. Then suddenly one day my father came up and he was like, no boy, you can't be a doctor cause there's already so many doctors in our house. What are we gonna do with so many doctors? Let's do something different. Okay, so now computer science is on demand. So yeah, let's do this. The problem with me was I am never that serious with my studies, and being a doctor is a 24/7 job. Like even if you are pooping, you have to suppose someone just called you like, bro, come on, there's an emergency. You have to go in the between of your poop session. So it's definitely not my job. And at that time I wanted to be free. I wanted to leave.
मैं उड़ना चाहता हूँ नैना, दौड़ना चाहता हूँ, गिरना भी चाहता हूँ.
Before making that decision, I watched Ye Jawani Hai Diwani and even I wanted to travel the world. And if I become doctor, then there's the least possibility of doing that. So eventually I dropped my plan of becoming a doctor and computer science. I thought computer science is going to be an easy subject to handle because in class 10 I used to get full marks in computers without studying. Maybe they used to deduct 1-2 marks sometimes, but most of the time I used to score good marks in computers. I thought maybe I am destined to take computer science and doing engineering, but after taking computer science, the story is totally different. It's a totally different thing, bro. Now we have to do coding, programming, bro. You have to study now computer. Without studying you can't. Class 11 just went away figuring what I'm actually doing here. Like what's my purpose? Why I took this subject? Why I took this freaking science? Like I spent my whole year just complaining about the science stream and complaining why this commerce and arts people are enjoying so much. And again in this year I took 6 months to just figure out like, okay, now I have no other option. I have to do this. This is coming. I have to study for that. Like I have to do something. I have to take engineering. There's no other ways cause honors is not my thing. There's one friend, he is 4 years older than me. Yeah, we were good friends. Good friends. Okay, once I talked to him and I was like asking him about his studies. Like, this year he just completed his physics honors, and after listening to his experience, dude, there's no chance of me taking honors. Honors is cancelled. In front of me there's just one door open, and that's engineering. And for engineering I need to pass JEE. Hardly 3 months left before JEE and 4-5 months left before boards. Yeah, boards to मैं कर लूँगी. I can do that, but JEE, I don't know what I will do. Am I too late to start studying? Oh yeah. OMG! What do you guys think? Can I replace Justin Bieber? Even my body can't digest the lame jokes that I'm cracking today. God, buddy. Sorry for this lame jokes. And there's no probability my father is going to waste his money on me and get me in a private college. So other than start studying, I have no choice left. Sad life, bro. I hate my life so much right now. Okay, so my current plan is completing this study material. Only 3 months are left. I definitely can study for this time. It's not too long. Okay, yes, I can do this. Right now I have a tuition. I'm gonna go there, and from tomorrow, yes, not today, from tomorrow I am going to study. I swear I'm going to study, bro. I'm going to freaking change my life. Yes, this 3 months are going to change my life. Yes, I'm born to be an engineer, bro. I can do this. Yo, buddies, just wait for your future engineer. I'm coming after 3 months. See, daddy people, it's obviously COME. Okay, come. Yes, after 3 months I'm going to sit in front of you guys, your future computer engineer. Yes, computer engineer is going to sit in front of you. Yes, till then, pray for me. Pray for me, guys. Bye bye.
It's on 40 in my record. Bitches change, they act like I ain't all this. Get that money, nigga, that my main focus.